Welcome to AI Explainer, where I show you how to use ChatGPT. In this video, we will explore latent semantic indexing using ChatGPT. Google doesn't only look at the use and frequency of your main keyword, but also at similar keywords that are logically related to that main keyword. When more keywords in relation to the main keyword are used, this tells the Google algorithm that the text is richer, more in-depth and relevant for the reader, and therefore more valuable, deserving a higher place in the ranking. So latent semantic indexing is about ranking for keywords that are related to the main keyword you may want to rank for. In this example, we are using a travel brand, so common related keywords relevant to the keyword travel would be road travel or solo travel, journeys, adventure, or other related words. The more words that are related to your primary keyword that you serve in your blog, the more richer your content is for Google's indexing algorithm. So to improve your Google ranking, it would make sense to have relevant keywords, not only the main ones, but also ones that are related to it. So I'm going to ask in this example for ChatGPT to generate relevant LSI keywords for my travel blog. And here we have 20 LSI keywords. What you may also notice is that there are often grouped words. Let's now ask ChatGPT to utilize these LSI keywords into the content ideas that we already discussed with ChatGPT to generate a richer text. Here, ChatGPT tells me which LSI keywords were used and how dense that keyword is. It tells me how often this active travel as a keyword appears in our texts. I would recommend to keep it at 2% or under. It's because if you overdo keywords, Google will notice that and may even penalize you for it by trying to influence or game the algorithm too much. To further refine it, I am now going to ask ChatGPT to use these LSI keywords into the subheadings and also give me an overview on where they were used. We can now see here where the LSI keywords have been used, helping us rank higher in Google. Another way to further use LSI keywords is to ask which sections we can expand to show more LSI keywords. And here it explains me which sections they are. This provides me with another opportunity to make my text better for the reader and for the Google algorithm. As you can see here in the bottom, it has asked on which sections we want to expand. So let's just say, please expand on ideas 1, 2, 3, and 5. And it will then update the entire article accordingly, based on the LSI keywords that I discussed with ChatGPT. Once it's done, let's also ask the software to make the article even longer to ensure that we are not overdoing it. This will make the keyword density go down a bit so that Google doesn't penalize us for overcrowding an article with keywords. Here we can see a much longer article. There might be a few things that you don't like and needs changes according to your preferences, so you still need to read it and make adjustments as needed. But overall, this is a quick way to create articles optimized for Google using latent semantic indexing. Let's now take a quick recap. First, we asked ChatGPT to generate LSI keywords to utilize latent semantic indexing, which is defined earlier as words that are related to the main keyword. We then dive deeper into a specific topic or sections and use LSI keywords in our content to make our articles stand out. Keep in mind that any keyword in the article should show at 2% or under to avoid being penalized by Google by stuffing too much keywords. After that, we then ask ChatGPT to include the LSI keywords into our titles and subheadings, which is stronger than keeping it in the main text of our article. Lastly, we asked ChatGPT to make our article even longer to ensure that our keyword use is not too much. It's because the longer the article is, the less dense our keyword use will be. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to support the channel and to get more of these helpful videos on using AI.